Hello everyone. So today, what I'll be doing is to share my experience, my unforgettable experience of my Tesla Model 3 delivery day. It was a day filled with unexpected and unforgettable challenges, but in the end, it was all worth it. Let's dive in. It all started with a whiteout snowstorm on the highway. As I was driving to pick up my Tesla Model 3, I found myself stranded in the middle of the snow, with visibility dropping by the minute. Despite the challenging weather conditions, I remained determined to make it to my delivery appointment. After an hour and 30 minutes of tense driving, I finally arrived at the location. Walking into the delivery center, I was greeted by friendly staff members who assured me that everything was in order for my delivery. Despite the delay, they remained courteous and accommodating. And then there it was, my brand new Tesla Model 3, sitting in all its glory. I couldn't help it but feel overwhelmed with excitement as I did a slow walk around, taking in every detail of my sleek electric car. The feeling of finally owning my first electric car was indescribable. It was a moment I had been eagerly anticipating, and it surpassed all my expectations. The staff members were thorough and friendly, guiding me through the delivery process with professionalism and patience. And despite the poor weather conditions, they remained focused on ensuring that everything went smoothly. Unfortunately, I didn't have much time to capture footage of the delivery itself, as the weather conditions had everyone on edge. But rest assured, my love for my Tesla Model 3 only continues to grow. Well, that wraps it up. My Tesla Model 3 delivery day adventure. And despite the challenges, it was an experience I will never forget. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, take care.